classroom.
Okay, let's study with STEAM methodology.
Okay.
자, 4월 5째 주 우리 다온이가 공부할 내용입니다. 자, 오늘은 이 STEAM의 5가지 영역 중에서 method에서 공부를 할 거예요. 자, 따란! 어떤 공부인지 한번 읽어볼까요?
반올림, 받아내림이 없는 두 자리 자연수 덧셈과 뺄셈?
맞아요. 오늘은 두 자리의 자연수의 덧셈과 뺄셈을 할 건데 이거는 다온이가 잘 할 수 있는 쉬운 문제라고 엄마가 생각을 하고 문제를 만들어 봤어요. 다온이가 대답해주면 되는 겁니다. 자신 있게 큰 소리로 할 수 있나요?
네!
오키도키. Oh, what is it? It's already up there. Oh no. So let's move on to let's try it as an example. 자, what is 77 plus 12?
89.
Yeah, the answer is there. Second question is 47 plus
97.
40. What about 52 plus 13?
65.
43 plus 13.
56.
72 plus 25.
97.
Okay, now you really need to do it by yourself because we already seen those answers. Ready? No, leave it there. So, okay. What is 25 plus 34?
30. Actually, 59.
59. Shall we check it? Ta-da! Ding dong ding. What is 16 plus 33?
Wait a minute. Is it 40? Wait, what?
Haha, hard question.
49?
Ding
Yay!
dong ding. What is 55 plus 42?
97 maybe?
Ding dong.
Yay!
What is 81 plus 13?
$94?
Woo! Is it? Ding
Yay.
dong. What about 32 plus 46? Is it the 46? Yeah.
78?
78. Ding
Yay.
dong ding. Let's move on to next. 47 plus 42.
$89?
Ding 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 ding. Ding dong.
Yay!
What is 35 plus 21?
$56?
Dong 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 dong. Ding dong. What is 29 plus 70?
99?
99. You're
Yeah.
correct. What about 86 plus 12?
$90. What? What is that? 98?
Shall we check it out? Ready, ready, ready. Dong 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 dong.
Yeah.
98. Ding dong. What is 62 plus 24?
86?
86.
Go!
Boom, boom, boom,
Yeah.
ding dong. Next question. 63 plus 26 is equal to...
$89?
Ding. Ding dong. Next question. 72 plus 16 is equal to...
88?
Ding dong.
Yay!
46 plus 30. Let's see.
76 maybe?
Ding dong.
Yeah.
What is 51 28? What is 51 plus 28?
79?
Ooh, let's check it out. You're correct. What is the last question? I cannot see it. What about you? 37 plus blah, blah, blah. I don't know. I can't see. Let's move on to the next question. Now, we are going to minus.
What the?
Uh-oh. Don't say that word.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Okay.
Let's move on to the
Let's
next
go.
question. Can you see the third column? 세 번째 여기 보여요? 보면은 답이 또 이미 다 나와 있지? Let's do that first. 38 minus 17 is equal to?
Yeah.
What's the answer?
21.
What about 56 minus 24?
32.
59 minus 41 is equal to?
These wheat.
What?
These wheat.
These way. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know French. Okay, that's 18, correct? What about 47 minus 33? Huh? 14 and 61 minus 30 is equal to?
Is it?
30? 30?
No.
1.
14.
14? I already passed it.
Oh. What's this? Oh, yeah.
31. Okay? So let's move on to here.
Dare you?
The first question.
Okay.
77 minus 12 is? What's the answer?
65?
65? Is it?
Yeah.
Daon. What's the next question? 86 minus 33 is? This is hard, isn't it?
What? 53?
Ding dong!
Yeah.
What's next? 67 minus 26?
41?
Ding
Yay!
dong! What about 72 minus 41?
What? 31.
Good. What about 59 minus 48?
What? Ohms?
Ohms? Yes. In English,
Is 11.
11. You
Is it-
are correct.
Yeah.
Move on to next. 53 minus 23.
Makes. What?
What is the answer?
What? 여기 있어?
53 빼기 23? 얼마죠?
30.
30? 띵동 띵동. 67 빼기 45는? 어렵다, 그지?
아씨.
에이? 그런 말을 하면 안 되는데. 우리 다온이가 과연 맞출 수 있을까요? 과연.
뭐야? 잠깐만. I hand. 잠깐만요.
Mama will give you some hint.
Okay, thank you.
60 minus 40 is?
60 minus 40.
6 minus 4.
I'm using that. I know it's 2.
Uh-huh.
I'm using it.
And what about 7 minus 5?
2.
Then,
22.
let's check it out. Ding, ding, ding. Oh. I pressed it twice. You got it as a 3. 39 minus 17 is equal to?
Yes.
22. What about next one? 98 minus 62.
What? 90. What makes... Three. One?
Ooh, I think so. Hello? Yeah,
Hey.
31. What about 98 minus 27?
Seven. One?
You are correct.
Oh.
Okay, last 5 question. 46 빼기 35?
11.
What? We've done it. What are you doing? You're correct. Next. 73 빼기 41?
32.
딩동딩. 86 빼기 32?
54.
띵동. 97 빼기 36?
71.
62.
Ah.
And we cannot see the last question because of the screen, so let's move on to next.
한 개.
Ta-da! You did a good job. Mama will give you a stamp. Bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So I will give you the stamp because you did a really great job today. So let's see. Ta-da! 뿅뿅뿅. 우리 다온이 참 잘했어요.
Bye bye.